So today we've got this Mercedes-Benz C-Class. As you can hear the noise. You hear that noise, squeaking sound? Right, so we're gonna show you what's causing that issue. And also he's got another issue on this car. 1 second. I think the parking sensors don't work. Put the car in reverse. See the rear parking sensors? They don't work. See, I'm walking behind the car. The parking sensors are not working.
Who's opening the book?
Now on this car, the customer can put his own parts. So I guess we're just gonna have to fit it. As you can see here, this is Brembo. It's not bad quality, but obviously Mercedes-Benz is always better. Aftermarket, yes, but it's not the same quality. But hey, I'm not here to judge. You're done.
Sensor, which one is not working on the computer? Go for the reference. This sensor for the sensor. So we're gonna check the contact and make sure the sensor is not no broken wiring or something, and might need to replace it. But
See that? The screw. The disc should be flush with the disc. It will come on this side. The screw for the disc, it's not flush. These are the problem with aftermarket parts.
So will that give a problem with the braking and stuff?
It should have come with this. Should have come with a new screw, but obviously he didn't. So I don't like dealing with aftermarket parts.
Yeah. Sorry, bro.
Take it out. The plastic here is very tight.
I thought this was coming with that.
No. Because this is the holder. This thing is the holder for the light. So this should automatically come out right now from here. This normally just comes out from here like that. Working on now this car here, because right now the weather is cold. The bump is very tight, so it's very difficult to come off now. It should normally just come off. But now we're removing the headlight so that we've got better access to the bumper so we don't damage anything. That's why sometimes things take longer than what they caught it for. Wow. Yeah, he bought his own parts, new one. Yeah, sorry, man. All right. Get the stand, get the stand. Okay, so which one is it? It was which sensor? Left something in it, right? It's this one, right? Oh shit. What side is left? This side, isn't it?
No,
But which one? Which side? Left inner?
the middle.
Left middle, yeah? So this is the sensor, right? You can check the wiring on this sensor.
We're testing the sensor, the fit, to make sure the connection is right with the wiring continuity.
Was it the center one we just put on, yeah? Yeah. So we got the center left, this rear distance. So we got the center left rear distance sensor. Center left, right? Yeah. The center left. So we've changed the sensor. Obviously we still have the same error, which we knew already. That's why we removed the bumper. So now obviously we're still getting the same error. So we've got a short circuit to ground or an open circuit. So now we need to do some wiring. If we go into this pin here, we've got a reading of 10 volts. I'm guessing that's the power, right? Yeah. We've got 10 volts reading. We've got 0 volts. Actually, no, it's moving. Something just happened. But anyways, it's 0. And we've got earth there, yes? So now let's put this test on another one. Have you got another one? So if we do the same test on another plug, yeah. See, we've got a reading here. Next one. You see how it goes from no reading again. So we've got 10.
So this one is already. This is different color.
What? Let's try a different one. Let's try a different one.
10.
10. Next one. Is that the middle one or
The outside.
outside one? Middle one?
Middle one is nothing.
Middle one is nothing. The whole system is shut down. That's probably one of the reasons why you're not getting no readings on the pin number, the pin in the middle, because that's a signal. That's a signal pin. The reason why you're not getting no readings there is because the whole system is shut down. Continuity between there and here. So that's what we need to do next. And if everything here is okay, then we have to check from this to the main control module. The job becomes long now. Further diagnostics.
But it's exactly the same fault like it's open circuit. So
Yeah.
it's broken. Like wiring is broken. Maybe it's the same fault and it's disconnected. Now still we have to remove the control unit from the inside the car.
What about the seat that you were saying that you need to?
No, we're gonna remove the seat.
Okay.
accurate diagram, but we can check the which one is it? This one is it?
There was yellow, white and yellow.
White and yellow, yeah. Same as well. Black and yellow. Black and yellow. Okay, cool. So black and yellow is all the same. Yeah, Richard. So we confirm the wiring is okay. So let's go back to the bumper now. Go back here. Go back to black and yellow there. It's okay. Now from black and yellow, now go.
Nothing.
Huh?
It's not okay.
Off, on.
It's on.
It's not. Is any reading? Any reading? Black and yellow.
No.
To say it's a control module, because we checked the wiring, so it could just be. It could be the control module. If the wiring's okay.
We got
You got the
corroded the pin. You see the green?
Maybe the phone might struggle, but yeah.
The terminal is green.
Mm-hmm.
Got the short circuit. So we have to clean it up and see. And we're gonna clean the contact with that side. And the plug one was green, so
My arm's gone, man.
Can't move the seat, can you? Can't move the seat now, can you?
I'm gonna try in it, but oh. Obviously, we checked all the wires. We suspect it to be the control module, possibly the wire as well. That's the price for the parts, £391. But I don't think the customer is willing to put any more money towards it, so we have to basically stop. And also the parts are not in stock, so there's no point. The parts are coming from Little Kings. They're going to be here for a few days. But in the meantime, he needs his car back, so we're going to put everything back together. And hopefully, he comes in the future and we look at this issue again.